know you want what I'm doing here. Yes, I'm working today. So today I'm going to be taking a tour of this amazing, beautiful apartment. Yes, and I'm going to be taking pictures and making videos of the apartment. It's part of my job, don't worry. So I'm actually planning on having fun doing this, but then I'm still learning how to use my camera. I said I wasn't going to film with my phone today. I want to use the camera. I really am learning how to use it. I'm not mastered it, but then I'm learning how to use it, and I hope everything comes out well. I just hope everything comes out well because I don't know how to storage my phone to make this whole video and pictures for today. So I just pray everything comes out well. So this is the Canon E05 2000D. Yes, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be exploring this amazing camera. So watch me while I work. A bientôt. So don't worry, those are my gadgets over there. But then I started with taking pictures of this whole environment. Yeah, I decided I want to take an up-close view of the entrance and what the A1 looks like. It's coming out. Let's go. So after that, I decided that I would be taking the sitting room. This is what the sitting room was like. Yeah, really cool, right? Yeah. I wanted an up close view of this. That's what it's nice, not bad. So this is what the sitting room looks like. This is what the sitting room looks like. And man, this is cool. I really like it. It's really cool. Still parts of the sitting room. So I decided to make like detailed pictures of these things here and their colors. Really cool. Really cool, coming out well, coming out bright, coming out smart. So I'm going to take the TV stand and everything here. That's what it looks like. Not bad. Don't worry, I'm going to like post with the videos. While posting the video, I'm going to post the results and you see and tell me what you think of my work. Thank you. What the TV stand looks like, and just follow me. Can you see the amazing artwork on the wall? And that's the dining. I'm going to arrange the dining table and take really cool pictures here. The light is not yet on, so I'm going to go turn on the light for the dining and take cool shots of the dining. Just watch it. 1, 2, go. Ta-da! So I'm going to just arrange everything. Beautiful stuff. So let's see what's being out of this dining table or this dining area. I created this. So I'm going to start here. No point. I think the light is too much. So I'm trying to cover the whole dining area. Really cool. These pictures are coming out, bro. My God. And this is what I really like decided I was going to explore my camera because it's been there and I don't know how to use it. So I decided I was going to explore it. And the exploration, here we go. So I'm going to take this artwork on the wall. Can you see the artwork from there? Okay. Here. I'm going to take the artwork on the wall. This is the artworks. I'm going to take them and let's see. So I want to do like an up close shot of the artwork. Nice. This is really nice. Really cool. I would like. Can you see? No, before you guys think I'm lying, see, really cool stuff, yeah? So let's do a retake from this angle and see what it looks like. This design table is actually, design session is called one, cozy. This is what home kind of vibe. I really like it. Here, and this is it. This is it. Can you see it? Hold on. This is it. Can you see the details? This is it. Can you guys see? I'm getting good at it. Yeah, I'm trying my best. I'm so happy. You have no idea. Like, because I love this dining area, I'm going to take lots of pictures just to get it well, like to get the perfect shot. So stay with me as I do this. So I'm going to start with the details on the table. As you can see, this particular table has some really cool designs on it. So I'm going to be taking pictures of the whole table and try and see how I can make a video of it. I'm trying my best. Any other things falling in place? This is cool, what? Okay, let's see it. Oh, this is a nice one. This is what it actually looks like. And these are, I think they're real plants. So let's take the plants with the artwork. Now let's take this whole area and see what it looks like. Don't worry, I'm going to like drop all the pictures after the video and you guys will see what I took. I'm not joking. And I want to get every single detail. So we're going that way and I'm going to take every other thing that area. So come with me. This is another part of the sitting room. I think I just need to like relax. I love this couch. It's so comfy. Now, I think I'm tired. But then the fact that I'm getting every single thing I want to where I want it, I can't stop till I'm done getting every single detail of this amazing, beautiful apartment. So for those of you wondering where this apartment is located, the name of the apartment is 2nd Avenue Apartment and it's located at Ikoyi, Lagos. So you can just type on your Google map 2nd Avenue Apartment, Ikoyi, and you definitely see it. And please let me know if you'll be checking into this apartment because their services are top notch, luxury, everything is just in order, arranged properly, keeping services, concierge services. There's a very, very well equipped gym downstairs. Really cool stuff. Just come see for yourself and tell me what you think of the apartment. So this is what I'm going to be filming next and let's see how it goes. So yeah, I wouldn't get tired. So your books here, really cool books. This one is the Yoruba Proverbs. This book is about the Yoruba Proverbs. So we actually have like really cool stuff here. And when you come, you have like really good things to really care. So I'm going to be taking this. Let's just like this. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. This is what here. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. Like every single detail is showing. So let's go to the other part there. I don't know that whole thing and this tortoise shell. Let's go. I don't know why it's faced, but I think we should face this. Yes. So I think I'm done with the sitting room. This is the general view of the sitting room. So yeah, I'll be going to a different section of the apartment and that's the kitchen door. So let's go in and see. Come with me. Okay. So this is the kitchen. Over out of storage and I don't know why the light is not coming on. Okay, yeah, the kitchen light is on now. So let's see what the kitchen looks like. So this is basically what the kitchen looks like. I'm actually out of storage, so I might just continue this video with the camera, but I don't know how I'm going to go about it. But then this is what the kitchen looks like. It's spacious. They have some really cool stuff in the drawers, a bit wardrobe, so it's not just empty. No, so you need things. Whatever you need is made available, and if it's not available, you get it from you. So here, your mugs, your tumblers, your wine glasses. There's a mug. There's a tea kettle, and basically if there's anything that's not here that you need, definitely supply it to you. So I think this is really cool. So I'm completely done with the sitting room, and I'll be going upstairs. Let's go, people. Oh, I don't have enough storage, so this video might just end before I'm done with everything, but then let's just keep going. So this is a 2-bed, and this is one of the rooms. I don't know if this is the master bedroom. This is one of the rooms, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be taking shots from different angles of the room, so stay tuned. So here's my view. I want you guys to see like what the room actually looks like. So yeah, this is the sitting area, and this is the restroom. Yay! The light is automatic, so it just comes on whenever I feel someone's passing it on. Yep. So this is another area where you could just go. So the big line here is open, and you could just, make yourself comfortable. Okay, so let's go to the bathroom. Yep, so I'm going to make it like really small shots. I'm tired, I won't even lie. But I'm being paid for this, so I have to do my best. This is what the staircase from up looks like. So I'm going to be taking a shot from my up, down, to see what it looks like. I'm going to give an overview of the second room. This is the second room. The lighting here is way better than the other one, but this is what the second room looks like, and these are the closets, and basically that. The bedside lamp and all that. So I'm just going to take shots here, and let's see how it goes. Like I said earlier, I don't want to like do complete video. I want to like cut, so my storage doesn't get full again. I'm tired. I've been hearing storage full, and I'm tired of hearing that. So I just want to do cut short videos for you guys to see everything, because I want you to finish this journey with me. So yes, let's just take a quick picture of this room, then we'll be coming out. This is the last place for me today, so thank you guys for staying Hi everybody, so this is the last room and the last shoot for today, and I want to say thank you all so much for staying with me on this journey of learning how to explore and use my camera better. And I'm going to like post the pictures with the videos, so don't worry, you see the results. I hope you like it, and if you do, please do not forget to comment, like and share. And if you also like to lodge in this apartment, it's called the Second Avenue Apartment. It's located at Ikoyi, Lagos State. So if you're in Lagos and you're looking for a very good apartment to lodge, just if you'd love to lodge in this apartment, so just drop your comments in the comment section and tell me what you think of our tour today. Thanks for staying with me, and see you in my next video. A bientôt. Au revoir.